Hi everybody, in this video we'll discuss the absolute value of a number. So let x be a real number. We define the absolute value of x as that number that is x if x is greater or equal to 0, or minus x in the other case. Let's see some example. The absolute value of 5, for example, following the definition, since 5, which is our x, is greater than 0, then the absolute value of x is x. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. If I have the absolute value of minus 3, then minus 3 is the x, and we are in the second case. Minus 3 is smaller than 0, so the absolute value of minus 3 is minus 3. Minus gives plus 3. So basically the absolute value gives the number without the sign. This is the important part. Let's see an example. So if we have an equation with an absolute value of x minus 1 equals 0, then we can bring the 1 to the right hand side, and we are left with this equation. At this point we have to use the definition of absolute value. So we have two cases. If x is greater than 0, then this equation is the same as x equals 1. But if x is smaller than 0, then absolute value of x is minus x, and then we have minus x equals 1. So we have x equals 1, and the solution to this equation is just x equals minus 1. So these are the two solutions to the equation with the absolute value. The important point is that even if this is not a quadratic equation, this has two solutions. Because remember that the number of solutions of a polynomial equation is the number of the degree of the polynomial. But the absolute value is not actually a polynomial. Polynomial means just when we have x and powers of x. So, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please thumb up, subscribe to be updated, and see you next time.